Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 30. A locus of the point which is equidistant from the line PQ forms A perpendicular line to PQ, B center with circle with center P, C circle with center Q, and D pair of parallel lines to PQ. Now let's say for instance we have a line, a straight line PQ. Now the locus of this line from the center of this line PQ will be equidistant from P and also equidistant from Q, and that locus is a perpendicular line. That is, when you bisect from the point P and also from point Q, when you bisect upward you have something like this, and you bisect downward you have something like this. Now the locus of this line from the middle, which is equidistant from point P and also equidistant from point Q, will form a perpendicular line. And so the answer to this question is option A, perpendicular line to PQ. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.